Are you trying to generate vertical image or video in Gemini app or web version and you are not getting success? Then you are in right video. In this video I will tell you how to generate vertical image and video using Google Flow, that is creative expert of Gemini. Let's follow upcoming instruction and generate video and image. Open your browser and search Google Flow. Now tap on Flow. Click on New Project. Now select video orientation from the settings. What type of video you want to make. Here I want to generate vertical video. If you want to change it, you can select landscape, or if you want vertical video, select portrait mode. From here you can select how many output you want to generate. We are using VO 3.1 video generation model of Gemini. Now type here prompt for video generation. What type of video scene you want to generate? You can simply add prompt. After typing prompt, click on this icon or enter. Wait for some time. Currently, model is generating video according to our prompt. Our video is ready. Tap on it to play. Now we will generate vertical image through Nano Banana Pro. Select create images. Tap on create image. Now click on this icon and select aspect ratio of image, and you can change model from this option. Here I am using Nano Banana Pro model. Choose how many output you want. Now enter prompt for your image. I am typing prompt where a scientist is going towards moon and enjoying music. Then enter. Vertical image is generated by Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. Here I am downloading this image. You can see here are different download options. Now check out this image. Resolution of this image is 2K. If you want to edit this image, simply tap on this image and again type your prompt. What type of changes you want to make on it? Simply type and enter. I want another scientist in this image. Nano Banana Pro model will make sure what type of similar changes should be in new image. Here you can see process has been started. Our new image is ready. If you want to download, simply click on download icon. So guys, here you can see this is another scientist aided by Gemini Nano Banana, and overall quality of image is amazing. If you want to watch more video related to Google Flow, simply write Google Flow on comment.